So good evening, shall we begin, madam?
Yes, sir. Start the session, sir.
So good evening, everyone. It is with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to you all for the 5-day faculty development program on revolutionizing digital content, curation and access. So we are honored to have esteemed educators, distinguished guests and enthusiastic participants joining us for the insightful journey. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Secretary, Dr. P. Magendran sir, for granting us permission to conduct this event. So his continuous support and encouragement have been instrumental in making this gathering possible. I'm happy to extend a warm welcome to our principal, Dr. M. Subbulakshmi ma'am, whose dedication to academic excellence continues to be a source of motivation for all of us. It is also my duty and privilege to welcome our director, Dr. G. Venkataswamy sir, whose valuable leadership and vision inspire us in our academic pursuit. His continuous encouragement helps us strive for greater heights in education and research. On this first day of our FDP, we are privileged to have with us Dr. S. Manjula, Assistant Professor, Ramco Institute of Technology, as our distinguished guest. We deeply appreciate her time and expertise in sharing valuable insight with us today. And my special welcome to all the faculty members and research scholars from neighboring colleges for your enthusiasm and dedication to professional development. We hope this 5-day faculty development program will serve as a meaningful learning experience and enhance our collective understanding of digital content, curation and access. I am much pleased to welcome my dear colleagues, friends and committee members who did all possible help in organizing this 5-day FDP and making this event a reality. So once again, a warm welcome to each one of you. Let us embark on this enriching journey together. And I'm happy to invite Dr. S. Sugandhi, convener of Research Committee at GVNC College, to introduce the chief guest of today's session.
Yes, sir. Mrs. S. Manjula is an accomplished academician and researcher in the field of computer science and engineering. She is currently working as an assistant professor senior 3 in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Ramco Institute of Technology. She holds a BE in Computer Science Engineering from National Engineering College, Kovilpatti at the year of 2014 and an ME in Computer Science and Engineering from Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology, Virudhunagar at the year of 2016, where she secured at the 48th rank in an university merit. She is currently pursuing her PhD in Information and Communication Engineering at Anna University, Chennai. With a strong research background, she has contributed significantly in the academic community, having published 9 research papers, and her expertise standards in the research, and she has successfully completed in the 4-credit course on programming in Python with an impressive 97% score in the in the NPTEL courses and the ISTE Polyglot National Award for the Best BTech projects. She has actively participated in skill development programs and completed AICT and NIDTR courses with 8 modules, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and under the ISTE chapter. And she has also played a pivotal role in a mentoring and evaluating projects. She received a mentor badge for her guidance in the Cognition Digital Nurture Technologies project in the year of 2023 Hackathon project, evaluator for Toy Hackathon 2021, an initiative by the Ministry of Education, Cell and the AICT. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your brief intro about me. Thank you. Shall I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you can share, madam.
Okay. Is it visible, ma'am? Shall I continue, ma'am?
Ma'am, yes, it's clear, madam. You can continue.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the session on AI tools for e-content development. As educator, our focus is on delivering knowledge effectively, right? So, but content creation, where it is like preparing a lecture material or preparing lesson plans, designing presentation, that takes a significant amount of time.
Hello?
Before begin to
Yes,
this
ma'am.
topic, let me ask you something. How many of you have spent hours creating
Ma'am,
lecture
actually the link
materials,
is ma'am, actually the link is
designing
shared in the group,
diagrams?
madam.
Most probably we spent hours,
Ma'am,
right, for
we do
creating
have a separate group for 5-day
lecture
FDP.
material and designing diagrams or for preparing presentation for our
Fine,
class.
madam.
It
No
takes
issues,
time,
madam.
right?
And
So,
I will send you, ma'am. 2 minutes.
are
Give me
you
2 minutes. I will send you.
know that
Fine,
we
madam.
are
Thank you.
spending much time, right? So, how many of you feel that we spend hours to create this lecture material and designing diagrams? Most probably we spend hours, right? So now what if I told you that AI can do a lot of this work for you in minutes? That's exactly what we are going to explore today. AI tools that can modernize e-content development. That is my topic. Uh, AI tools for e-content development. So let me introduce you to some AI powered tools that are game changer for our content development. So here I am going to discuss three important tools where we can explore content development. So the first tool is Plant UML, simplified diagram creation. So that means we can create diagram using simple text. So before that, we can create diagrams using Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. We can make diagrams, right? So here we are going to generate a diagram using simple text-based commands and no need for manual drawing. Just write a description and it creates the diagram. We will see how we can do this. So next tool I am going to discuss is Tiny Wow. So the name says it is wow. So absolutely this is the biggest very important tool that make our document editing and conversion very fastly and quicker. It converts files, edits PDF, and also write essay, paragraph.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption.
yes, sir.
We didn't see you.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I'm
You
sorry.
didn't see my screen, sir.
Sudhakar sir, please unmute again.
We are able to see, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. If the participant not able to see means you can go my name and you can pin my presentation. After that, the presentation will be visible. So if you not able to see my presentation means you can pin it there. You can see. Okay, hope it is visible. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Now, one more tool I am going to discuss today is Gamma AI, AI-powered presentation maker. It automatically generates PowerPoint style for our presentation. So, we will explore these three tools today. So, this slide shows that how the diagram is very important. Visuals speak louder than words. Diagram play an important role in various fields, especially in teaching. As a teacher, we know how the what is the importance of diagram when writing research papers. Diagram like flow charts, workflow charts, and block diagrams play an important role, right? Imagine trying to explain a complicated system or process without diagram. It is nearly impossible, right? So even writing research paper or something we are going to deliver to our student in blackboard, we scribble a diagram to make our student understand, right? So mind map or some block diagram we will draw to make our student more understandable. So there are a couple of famous quotes that really highlight the power of diagrams and visuals. The first one is, a picture is worth 1,000 words. We have all heard it before, right? So it simply means that sometimes a well-designed image can explain something much better than a long-winded explanation. And one more thing, here I have quoted, we can see that our brain, how it processes the image. The human brain process visuals. So here the 90% and 40%, this the human brain process visuals 60,000 times faster than the text. It just goes to show how quickly our brains can absorb and make sense of visual information compared to reading long paragraph of text. It's why diagrams are so effective. So that's why the first tool which here we are going to discuss is tiny plant UML, the simplified diagram creation with ChatGPT. So we are all know that fighting shapes in Word and PowerPoint. When we are trying to diagrams in Word or PowerPoint, we can see that the first diagram, the word we have drawn. So the box from the line from the first box is slightly
மேடம் இல்ல மேடம்
misaligned,
இப்பதான்
right?
நான் குரூப்ல
So
தான்
as a
இதுல
beginner,
இருக்கேன்
if
நான்
we are
பேசுறேன்
going to
நான்
draw
வெளியில
diagrams in
வெளியில
Word or
போட்டுவான்னு
PowerPoint,
கேக்குறாங்க
we face this. We fight with arrows
மேடம்
and
பேரே
boxes
காட்டல
sometimes. Sometimes the arrows end up way too long or too short,
எப்ப
or they
சொன்னாங்க
just don't connect properly to the shapes. And then there is that annoying moment when the arrows either stick to the box or it float off in random
ஐயோ அதான்
direction.
பிரின்சிபல்
These are
பேச
all the
சொல்லிருக்கேன்ல
things
அவங்ககிட்ட
we
சொல்லிருக்கேன்ல
already experience. As a beginner, experience this lot while creating diagrams with Word and
இல்ல
PowerPoint. So
நான்
now
பிரின்சிபல்
let's talk
பிரின்சிபல்
about
தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேசுவாங்க
Plant UML,
ஐயோ நான் பிரின்சிபல்
an
பேரை
open
நம்பவே
source
தெரியல
tool that
நீங்க ரிமைண்ட்
this is
பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா
an open
பிரின்சிபல்
source
அங்கதான்
tool
இருக்காருன்னு
that helps create diagrams using
எனக்கு
text-based
கேட்கவே இல்லை
syntax.
சத்தியமா நான் கவனிக்கவே
I
இல்லை
will tell you what are all the benefits of this
ஐயோ பிரச்சனை ஆயிட்டு
Plant UML.
பாத்துக்கலாம் ப்ரோக்ராம்
So
மீட்டிங்
Plant
பாத்துக்கலாம் மேடம்
UML
சாரி கேட்டிருக்கேன்
have some benefit that make it stand out. First, ease of use. That means it use simple plain text, so it is
ரெடி ஆயிட்டாங்க
super easy to pick up even for beginners. So this is the first benefit of
கொடுங்க
Plant UML.
மேம் இன்னும் குரூப்ல
And
இருக்கீங்களா
we may think that
இருக்கீங்களா
we should be a great programmer or a coding expert
பாருங்க
for
பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க மேம்க்கு
do
ஒரு
this
கால் பண்ணி மட்டும்
Plant UML, but
இல்ல
you
மேம்க்கு ஒரு கால்
don't
பண்ணி
need to
மட்டும்
be
நீங்க
a coding
லாஸ்டா
expert
ஒரு
or
பேச
familiar
சொல்லுவீங்களா
with the complex programming language to create these diagrams. Then there is the automatic diagram
சரி
generation.
நாளைக்கு பேச
So
சொல்லிருங்க சாரி
automation,
கேட்டு நாளைக்கு நான்
once we write the
பேசுறேன்
code, the diagram is generated for you automatically. No more manually arranging shapes and lines. And
சரி
last
சரி
but not least, integration with IDEs. So integrated development environment, we can easily
தேங்க்யூ மேம்
integrate
வச்சிருக்கேன்
Plant UML and generate diagrams right from there, streamlining your workflow. Like we can integrate it with IDEs. So these are all the some popular IDEs we may came across. PlantUML can easily be integrated with popular IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, VS Code, and NetBeans. But here is the thing: if you don't want to go integration and downloading stuff, you can just use ready-made PlantUML platform that is ready-madely available free source in online. This way we can create easy access without any setup, and we can start creating our diagrams right away. Okay, I will show the official website where we can draw and explore the features of PlantUML. If possible, if you are doing with a laptop or desktop, we can go this PlantUML website. If possible, please visit the website https://plantuml.com. So just type this in browser, in Google or any browser. What you are having, just type this website in browser. So I will show you how it looks. Yes. So this is the official website of PlantUML. So hope this is visible. PlantUML screen. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So here, lot of diagram facilities are available: sequence, use case diagram, class diagram, activity. Lot of various type of diagram available. It Plantiomel supports various types. Here is an example of mind map feature. In this session, I am going to explore mind map and activity. So this helps to create diagrams for your research work or for preparing lecture materials. And also we can explore the remaining things by your own. So mind map I am opening. This is the mind map tab I am opening. So before that, I will show you one diagram where I can use this mind map to create my mind map. So the types of diagram supported by PlantUML, these are all the different types of diagram supported by PlantUML. So I have just make it as mind map using the PlantUML. Actually PlantUML support, as I discussed, as I mentioned, it support a class diagram, component, object, package. So these are all the diagrams it supports. So I just make this as mind map and I shown it here. This is the diagram supported by PlantUML that I have drawn using the mind map tool, and some more diagram also I have drawn. So I have shown you and I will demonstrate it by going the official website. Just I am showing what are all the diagrams I have created using PlantUML. Okay. So while preparing notes for students, or students also preparing notes for exam point of view, they can also use this PlantUML mind map to explain the simple concepts for their understanding purpose and also for easy remembering. So the class here I have created a one mind map for class diagram. What is class diagram we can forget in future, right? So for that, in PlantUML I incorporate the class diagram which represent the structure of a system by showing class attributes, methods and their relations. Likewise the definition also I have included in this mind map. So if we showcase to our students for lot of complex topics and lot of subtopics, means that time we can use this diagram to show what are all the topics and subtopics and also their definitions with the help of this mind map. So I will tell you how to create this. So just going the official website PlantUML. So in the mind map I am going down. So there are a lot of mind map flavors available here. So if we go down, we will be seeing lot of mind maps. We can customize these mind maps as per our requirement. I am taking the first one. I am taking the first one.
UGC MMTTC.
So this is the left side is the code and the right side is the consent diagram. Okay. So for logging this, we don't sometimes we don't need any sign up and all. Just it allows the PlantUML as it is. So for some tools we need to sign in. So next I will tell some tools that where we have to be a Google Gmail ID to sign in. But here there is no need. So I will tell you. So parallelly we can open ChatGPT. So I am here giving PlantUML mind map code. So as we are discussing about AI tools for e-content development, right? So I am just prompting ChatGPT to give PlantUML mind map code for just different AI tools used for research. Different AI tools used for research. So it's giving some text-based syntax, right? So in this left side, so what we have to give for creating this diagram, that also we can get from the AI tool ChatGPT. So I am just copying this code and pasting here.
இந்த வாரம் மேடம் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்றேன்.
It's created the apps and mind map for us, AI tools for research. So what are all the AI tools we are having for research? It displays, and also we can see for machine learning platforms, we can use TensorFlow, PyChart, Scikit-learn. So likewise, we can explore, right? So not only for this one, we can create mind map for different aspects. Here I have created for AI tools, right? So the one thing is we know we know how to handle ChatGPT, right? We can prompt anything, it gives code, and also we can draw diagrams. So this mind map is very simple for drawing. So if suppose I want to make what is the description for this TensorFlow, this pie chart, likewise I shown in my PowerPoint presentation, right? If I need that, I should not be a coding expert. I something I should know about what is this text-based syntax, right? So it is a simple thing. If we cleanly watch this code, we see the simple star, the single star represents the root. That means the AI tools for research, that is the root of this mind map, and double star means it is the represent the subroot. That means machine learning platforms, that is the double star, right? So 2 star represent machine learning platform, that is the subroot of the exact root. Okay, so machine learning platforms where we are having 2 star, that means the subroot of the root. So the machine learning platforms, and also natural language processing, computer vision, data analysis and visualization, these are all the subroot of this root AI tools for research. And also if I need inside the subroot anything, means I have to mention triple star. If I need to describe this TensorFlow, means I have to specify 4 star for describing this TensorFlow. So this TensorFlow is the machine learning package, right? So it helps to do projects like if I neural it is helpful for doing neural networks projects, means I am just giving helps to do neural projects. So don't think that we are making mistakes. So once the code completed only, it will show the diagram. Okay. So here the TensorFlow helps to do neural project. Likewise, I can create subroot inside my root and subroot. So this is one thing. And also I want to customize my diagram by creating interactive colors and the name of the in mind map we call this machine learning platform, that every box we call it as a node. So if I want to make my node background to some different colors or some different font, that also possible. So depending on our requirement we can make. So I will show you. So this is, I have included the description. So if I want to create the box with green color or the arrow with some other color, means I can use the directive skin parameter to make my diagram more customizable and more colorful. So I am taking this code. So I will explain what is this. So we can get code from ChatGPT, and if we need to customize it depending on our requirements, we can make these are all the changes. We should know what are all the changes we can make for making beautiful diagrams, right? So that's why I'm telling these are all the things. This is simple only. So skin parameter, it is the directive. So I'm making the background color some hexadecimal value. So even we can make primary colors red also we can give. So if you want to give hexadecimal colors means there is a website we have for color picker. I am going Google. So there we have hexadecimal
ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா மேடம்?
hexadecimal color
ஓகே ஓகே
picker.
மேடம், ஓகே. சாரி மேடம், வேற கால் இருந்தது அதனால.
So
ஓகே,
if
தேங்க்
we
யூ.
give only this red, yellow means we will be having the primary colors, right? If we want some slightly changed color, somewhat pink or light orange, pale colors, if we need means we can go this hexadecimal color picker where we can get
சார் அது ரெஜிஸ்டர்
different
பண்ணிட்டேன்
colors.
சார்.
So if I need this violet color means
சரி
I
சார்.
can copy this
அதுக்கப்புறம்
hexadecimal
ஜெனரல்
code
இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்
where we can see under hex. So I can copy this and
லாகினுக்கு இந்த பேஜ் எதுவுமே இல்லை சார்.
I can make here.
அவுட் அப்ளை. ஓகே சார், நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்.
So likewise we can make changes. So as I told, this box we call it as node, right?
சரிங்க
So
சார்.
node font color and node background color also we can change. Node background color I am making it yellow, and node font color I am making it okay brown.
சார் என்ன கோர்ஸ் சார்?
So likewise we can customize our mind map.
சார்
So not only for
சார் என்ன கோர்ஸ் அதுல?
research purpose or making diagrams, we can use it for making our students to learn some important concepts easily by using this diagram. Okay, now we have created diagram as per our requirement. So I need to show this to my students or my supervisor or some person. I have to download it by using PNG image also possible or SVG image. So mostly we will use PNG image, right? So I am clicking that. It give me my mind map. So there I can save this image, save images. So I can save. So likewise, we can save the image. Once we created our mind map, if we want this code, we have to copy this code in somewhere like Word document or somewhere. We can use this text code, copy and save. Because once I refresh or I came back, the whole code will get disappear. So if this is the final image, means we can copy this code into somewhere for future reference. So likewise we can create a mind map. It is simple thing, we can create mind map. And also, okay, the next thing is we can create lecture material and notes of lesson for complex topic using this mind map, right? So the next thing is I am a beginner of the research. I've gone through many literature review and I am not clear about how to start my research. Okay, so I need a clear cut view of one diagram which direct me to show how to I proceed my project. Okay, so this is the mind map for a literature review on AA in healthcare. So consider that I am doing research in AA in healthcare. I don't know how to start my research work. So I am just asking ChatGPT, I need a plant UML mind map for my literature review on AA in healthcare. So it gives the amazing text-based syntax for my project. That is, first you have to understand the introduction, definition of AA in healthcare, then importance of the study. It is telling me to do the introduction. Okay, I have done. So after that, what I have to do? So thematic areas. AA in healthcare is applicable for many areas. I can concentrate AA for diagnosis or AA for treatment. So if you are considering for AA for diagnosis, so what are all the papers we have to gone through, and also AA for treatment, what are all the papers I have to go through. So it gives the overall blueprint of what I have to do for my literature review. Likewise, we can ask ChatGPT to give different view of literature review for mind map. Like that we can ask and we can get, instead of reading the big paragraph, if we visualize this as a diagram means we can understood how to start, right? So likewise we can use this plantihuman mind map for a literature review. So this is all about mind map. Next, as I told, we explored mind map, right? So now we are going to see activity diagram. So while doing research, we use decision making or looping to describe our project, right? So this activity diagram, so in the about tab, we have sequence, use case, class and activity. So I am going to use activity diagram. So this helps to draw simple actions. So we have different actions. So in between we will be getting ads, right? So this is of the free websites we will be getting. So simple action, start and stop, and also conditional. For different decision making, we will be having different diagrams. But no problem, we will be getting the text-based syntax from ChatGPT, right? So we can simply use the first diagram where it is available in activity diagram. Okay, the first diagram is the simple action. So if I want to do this means, so I have a copy option. So this is means if I have integrated this plant UML with some other tools means I can copy this into my clipboard and I can do. Now I am doing it with just online browser. So I am just giving edit online. So it shows some a diagram. So in this, as I told earlier, in mind map, every star represents the root. So here, the every plant UML diagram and the text-based index starts with the start UML. In the mind map case, it is start with the start mind map, right? So here it is start UML, and the input for the every box is started with the colon and end with the semicolon. So this is the simple diagram available in online, right? So here I need decision making diagram for my work. So the plant UML flowchart for data pre-processing. For any machine learning project or deep learning project or AI project, the first thing is taking data, and in that data pre-processing is the important step. So many pre-processing techniques available. So I want to make some pre-processing technique, and also I have to project this as a diagram for my research paper. Then how to do? So if we see the left side diagram, if we draw this with the presentation or word, it takes time, right? So I just drawn this with plant UML, and also I got this code from ChatGPT. So if I just giving this command to ChatGPT and ask to draw plant UML code, create plant UML code. So I just giving. So I am asking plant UML flowchart for data processing. Give activity diagram. If I ask to create mind map means it is different. So I am asking to create an activity diagram, right? So likewise, depending on our problem statement, we can ask ChatGPT to create different diagrams. So plant UML flowchart for data processing activity diagram I am asking. So it gives code. I am just taking this. and pasting it in my.
சரி மேடம். சரி மேடம். ஓகே.
So it give a beautiful flow chart for me. Okay.
Fine madam. Okay madam. Thank
So
you.
every syntax starts with start. If I don't want this
sorry,
start
madam.
means I can remove this.
இப்போ உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணிடுறேன்.
If I remove this start, it just remove that symbol like one circle came, right? So it removes that symbol. If I want only from low data set means I can make it low data set. And also stop. So hope it is visible. I am audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So for end we have stop, right? So the stop here we can replace it with the end also. If I give end, it the cross symbol will appear. So depending if my flowchart will come with the circle means I can make it a stop or can make it as end. Even if I don't want means I can remove it and just make up to split data set. So, okay, the ChatGPT gave this diagram. I want to make some customization in this diagram, like this low data set. This data set should be in bold. Like that, if I need means for making bold in WhatsApp, we use one simple star, right? So for plant UML in activity diagram to make bold into any box means we can just give double star to make any font as bold. If I want anything as italic means I can give a tag I can give this tag to make my word italic. Missing values it come as italic. So okay, we have seen skin param, background color, node background and all. We have seen for mind map, right? So if I want my hello world, my low data set handle missing value as different color means I can make it by giving hash red or blue color in front of my colon. If I give like this, I can get different color boxes. If we need some different colors, we can use hexadecimal color picker. So some standard color only available with blue, green. If we are giving words, then some standard colors only available. If we need different colors, we can go with the hexadecimal picker. So likewise, we can create looping, decision making looping for our requirement. So if I need my font color like missing value present or impute remove missing data should be with some colors means for differentiating, there I have to give it for every word inside the box need to be of different color means I can give by just. So this I hope this is the simple syntax for every box. Before colon we have to give for inside the box. If we need to color our font means we can give it as color red. So likewise we can customize. So if suppose my decision my loop is from missing value to data cleaning, I want to make up to impute remove missing values means I can make it by just giving. So
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The two members raised their hands for asking the questions.
Questions. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, Renuka Devi, ma'am, and Naresh Kumar, sir. Have you had any questions?
Yes, sir. Just it is fine explanation, sir. But at the end of that, I want to ask about the how can we use that diagram in literature in that sense. Now, okay, fine, man. Going on, madam. Okay.
Yes, sir. How
Actually,
can we
you continue, madam, and sir will ask questions in the
End of
end
the
of the
session.
session.
end of
End
End
of
of
the
the
session.
session,
Ah.
okay.
end of the session, madam. End of the session, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will continue, sir. Uh, so if I want to make this decision in input by removing missing data means I can make my decision making under if, for example, so or if I make my data my decision making in a data cleaning means I can use like. So likewise, we can change. So what are all the research or what are all the problem statements we are having? We can ask ChatGPT, and also we can copy that code into this editor, and we can make beautiful diagrams for our requirement. So I made some diagrams using this. I will show you. So this I have told how to make the box into different colors we have seen, and also one more thing, in every box we have some we to describe some data or represent what it means we can create a note like this: handle missing values. So what it is doing, so this step handles
Madam,
missing
registration
data.
proof will
If
do.
my data set having any
Registration
missing
proof will
data,
do.
I can handle it by this step. So for some complex steps, I can include this
அப்படியே
note.
இருக்கட்டுமா?
So we can include the
சரி,
note
okay.
by giving. Suppose I need to
சரி,
include note for this
எனக்கு
feature
இப்போ ஒரு பேமெண்ட்
engineering
வந்துச்சு.
means I can add.
சரி, ஓகே. அது மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து லாஸ்ட்ல பாத்துக்கலாம் மேடம். சரி, பரவாயில்ல. அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை மேடம், பரவாயில்ல. ரைட் மேடம், தேங்க்யூ.
Left. Likewise, I can note. So we can make a note in left. If we have a complex process in our diagram, we can make a note. So I'm just adding scale features. So if you have a problem statement with some complex information inside the box, we can make it as a note to define what it is exactly meaning. So likewise, we can create diagrams, and also we can make different colors as I told in mind map. We have a skin param, so we can also apply the skin param for the text. For example, if I want to make my arrow color with the different color means I can use skin param arrow head color
மேடம் எனக்கு
blue.
மெசேஜ்
Likewise,
இப்படிதான்
we can
தெரியுது. மேடம்
use
உள்ள
for
வந்திருக்காங்க.
more customization. And also I have a dotted I need a dotted lines, and also dashed lines means that also possible by giving the code. So these are all and also we can prompt the ChatGPT to do this for us, but if we know this we can customize easily.
சரி, சரி.
So for that only I am telling. So also we can include connectors by giving just as what color connectors we need. We can give it as before colon, and also the connector name to be anything we can give. So this is about plant UML diagram. So we can also check whether we gather sensor data from various sensors in a loop until all sensors. So this is a problem statement I'm giving for chat GPT to create diagram. So it gives diagram. It gives a text-based syntax like right side, and it creates a diagram. So if this diagram is not for up to my requirement means I can change by giving my different prompt I can give to make my diagram more up to my requirement. So this is all about plant UML. So the next tool I'm going to discuss is Tiny Wow. So the Tiny Wow is a free online platform that provides a wide range of AI tools. So let's explore Tiny Wow, a free online platform that offers a variety of AI powered tools to simplify our daily tasks. The best part, it requires no installation or sign up, making it incredibly accessible and user friendly. So with the Tiny Wow, we can these are all the key features of Tiny Wow. Can easily generate, paraphrase, and summarize content. Whether you are writing reports, assignments, or research paper, this tool save time. Let's see different key features. So that is it. It have a PDF tools and also image editing, file control, other utilities. So this is the official website of Tiny Wow. So we can go this website. So we may come across PDF editing and all, right? So everything it is under one tool. There is no sign up required. We just give Tiny Wow in our browser tab to get this page. So it has a PDF tool, image tool, video tool, then AI write file tools. So all in one place. So we have PDF tools in online. If we search PDF tool for conversion and all, we will be getting. But everything in same place here in Tiny Wow. So in PDF tools, if I explore this PDF tool, so it consists of many things. So this we already know, but the thing here is some important features it has. Extract images PDF. That means if I upload any PDF, if that PDF contains any image, it downloads that images alone. If suppose I am doing some research on, I have I taken 3 papers. I want to know what are the results the 3 paper reflects. So I have the same graph I am having means I can compare I can extract the images from the PDF and I can compare it, right? So for that I can use this extract images from PDF. It only extract the images. So I show you how it works. So before this I didn't see anywhere this type of tool. So I am taking one PDF. So it uploading. So likewise we have a different options available in this Tiny Wow. So I am just telling the different options where we cannot see other tools, that only I am exploring here. So the thing is here for every processing it asks the whether we are human, like that it asks. There is no sign up needed, but the thing is what the thing frustrating here is it's every time it asks whether we are human. So if we see here, if I upload the PDF, what are all the images available in this PDF? It comes as downloadable format. So I can download this and I can use for further future reference and all I can use. So this tool and also image in the same. The remaining tools are already the simple tool we may explore somewhere. The image I'm opening. So AI generated image available, and also um, profile photo maker, crop image, and make background. So in some images we may have for preparing data set, I need to concentrate only on the main image, but translate it into some text. For example, I'm having one document. I need to that document is an image. I want to convert it into text. Means we can give it here as a image, upload as a image, and it converts into text format. That feature is also available here. And write. So if AI, we know AI will help us to write improved content, and also we can make a paraphrasing, paragraph complete grammar correction and all. It will help, right? So this AI write tool write essay for us. So if we give a title, it writes essay, and also content improvement. So if I am giving some content and it suggests how to improve my content, and also paragraph writer, paragraph complete, story generator, YouTube script writer. There are different options available. We can explore it by your own. So depending on your requirement, so here it has a AI detector. If I am giving any text from copying from ChatGPT, in somewhere they will ask the content should not be AI generated content. While submitting some document, the document should not be AI generated content. Right? We can check it by using this AI detector, and also article writer is there, and it gives only simple content like it for preliminary works and all. We can use this AI reparaphraser, rephraser, and also for email writing, logo generator, and also if I am running one website and I want to know what are all the questions the user can ask, or some customer can ask, means I can create a FAQ generator. Like I can give a title and it tell me what are all the possible questions the website user can ask. Sometimes we will be having a FAQ session, right? So there we can ask question, and it the concern reporter will give the answer, right? So likewise we can use this FAQ generator and summarize YouTube video is there. So instead of seeing the long video, if I give the URL of the video, not downloading the video, just giving URL, it gives it finds that video and also give the description about the particular video. Like while if we are studying in NPTEL or Coursera, if the video is going, means that same parallelly we will be getting text, right?
மேம் கேட்கலையோ
So
மேம்
not exact same. Here just
சொல்லுங்க
if
மேடம்
we give a URL, it
மேம்
tells
கோபப்பட்டாங்களா
what is the content behind that video. It gives on simple paragraph. So I will give you.
சரி சரி ம்
What I'm doing,
சரி
I'm
சரி மேம்
taking one video. So I will tell you how to copy that into this and get the. So here we have an option where we can copy this video, and also we can give here. So it finds the video.
சரிங்க மேடம் ஓகே
So every it
நாளைக்கு பேசிக்கலாம்
asks
மேடம்
CAPTCHA. So it finds the video and
ஓகே மேடம்
summarize
ஓகே
that
தேங்க்யூ மேடம்
video as a
ஓகே
description.
தேங்க்யூ
Okay. Likewise, this tiny warm will help us, and we can explore the different options here. So one more, so it's ongoing. One more tool I will discuss. So AI writing also we can do. Gamma AI powered presentation maker. This is another tool. So first we discussed Plant UML for creating diagrams. The second thing we have discussed TinyWow, where it is where we can edit and edit PDF and do some conversion and all we can do with the help of AI. And this is the Gamma AI powered presentation maker. So let's talk about Gamma and AI powered presentation maker that help you create engaging, professional and interactive presentation with minimal effort. Why we need to choose Gamma AI? Just if we have if we go to this browser means it asks a sign up, we can go sign up by giving our email ID, and if we just enter a topic and Gamma will generate a structured presentation for us. We can modify layouts, themes and styles to match our needs and add images, GIFs, charts, even AI generated visuals also we can make. It works directly in our browser. And I will tell you. So let's explore Gamma AI. I will tell you how it can help educators and professionals. So first, teachers can quickly create lecture slides. Researchers can present their findings clearly. And also students can create project presentation effortlessly. Likewise, the Gamma AI presenter will help us. So we can let's explore Gamma AI. So it gives this we told right. So the it takes that YouTube video and it gives what are all the things demonstrated in the video as a single paragraph. So we can read this to get what is informed in that video. So I am going the official website of Gamma AI where we can make presentation. So I have signed up already. So it let me inside. So I have created some of the presentations. I will open any one of the presentation. If we want to create new one, we can create by giving create new AI. So for time being, I am opening my old presentation, data types in AI, data types in Python I have created. So it just created, I just given a command, create data types in Python. So it gives a set of slides for me. So if suppose I don't want this image means, I can give like, so I can chat with AI also here. For example, I don't like this paragraph like in Python data types are the building blocks for our AI. I don't like this mean. I can ask improve writing or I can make a different layout I need means that also possible. So it improved the data types are fundamental to Python in programming. Likewise, it improved. So what are all the changes we can make means we can simplify language and also try a different layout we can do. Try a different layout I am giving. So it gives data types in Python. It shows some different layout, right? So if suppose I need this PPT means I can download it simply. So export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. So I am exporting it as PowerPoint. So it downloads. Even I can use this template for my different lectures, right? So once I got my template, I can make a different template with this, right? So even if we are creating templates with PowerPoint, we will struggle that what to include in our content and all. We will be getting struggle, right? If we have some sample PPT means it will be easy for us to create diagrams. So I need this template means actually I have downloaded this one. So if I want this template means I can customize this in my PowerPoint presentation. That also possible. This Gamma AI actually give only 12 slides. If we need more slides, we can make it another topic as the same, another presentation as the same topic, and we can combine it. So this is all about my presentation. So hope I engaged you with the different e-content tools and make your time more effectively, I think. Participants, if you have any queries, can ask. So this is all about my presentation.
Audience, if you have any questions, ask.
Ma'am, actually, the session was nice, and people have been using several tools like ChatGPT, and other sources are familiar. And TinyWow, it's an amazing tool, I believe, because it consists of all the tools, all in one roof.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
And even extracting image, that is new to us. And I just wanted to know, madam, and everything was technically explained, ma'am, and how far it can be useful for humanities too, like humanities faculty members.
Yes, sir. For science and humanity papers, right, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So for plant UML, we can, if suppose we have if we want to draw diagrams in physics or mathematical concepts, that also we can prompt ChatGPT, like for complex topics. If we have suppose I am background of computer science, can you tell any complex topic in physics or chemistry or maths? I will tell you how to prompt ChatGPT to create diagrams. I will tell, sir.
A picture of a mountain, madam.
Sir,
A picture of mountain.
plant UML mind map for picture of mountain, sir. Picture of mountain.
Yeah.
Want to how it gives. So it gives some different mind map mountain, different types of mountain it gives, I think, sir. I will show you what it exactly gives. So actually it gives famous mountains, types and features. So exactly whether you asked this one, sir? Type mountain types, features, famous mountains, like that you are asking, sir, or some technical term?
Picture, madam. Picture of technique.
Ma'am, actually, it is related to downloading mountain pictures, I believe.
Oh, he's asking to
Generate pictures.
generate picture.
In our PPT, if
Okay.
you want to give the picture of the mountain.
Okay, sir. So for that, if you are preparing to present mountain relevant information, means we can use Gamma AI, sir, where I can give what exact picture you want, sir, or information presentation about the mountain.
Picture of a Himalaya, madam.
Picture of Himalaya. Okay, sir. In here we have an image. Okay, sir. There we have AI generated image. So if okay. I don't know what it comes, but for AI generated, we will be getting some mountain like exact Himalaya. I don't know, sir. Actually, if we give ChatGPT to give a picture of Himalaya, whether it gives exact picture of Himalaya. But in we have Meta AI in our WhatsApp right now, sir. There, if we give picture of Himalaya, it exactly gives that. That I have experienced. Whether you used that, sir? Meta AI for generating pictures. If we give in our WhatsApp, if we give Meta AI to generate picture of Himalaya, it exactly generates the same, sir. You may check, sir. Oh, the same thing, exact same thing we will be getting, but I don't know about. I'm just prompting my Meta AI. It's giving. Actually, I didn't connect it in my lab. So you could try in Meta AI in WhatsApp, sir, where we can get exact. Here we will be getting AI image generator. Yes, sir. This only you are asking, no, sir?
Actually,
Excellent, madam. Nice explanation, madam.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Actually, ma'am, the
Madam,
AI,
nice explanation.
Yes, same thing I was expecting, madam. But the session was very good, madam. But while explaining only, we must do the practical at the same time, madam. Then only
Yes,
it
sir.
will be
Yes, sir.
benefit.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
we cannot, because being a humanities teachers, it is difficult for us.
Okay, sir. These three tools actually simple only, sir. Plant UML, if we explore, means we can do it many diagrams with the chat GPT parallelly with the plant UML. If you do it 1 or 2 days consistently, it will be very easy for you, sir.
We must practice these three also, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please mention once again, madam, because I attended after 30 late, madam.
Madam,
Okay, sir. Plant UML, Tiny Wow, and Gamma AI. So, Plant UML. We can use for creating diagrams as I shown now, no, sir, for creating mountains types.
Okay.
So this is the plant UML where we can draw diagrams by giving text-based syntax. And also one more rule, that is tiny wow. So this is we done here a image as it has a PDF image, write video files and all we are having. And also gamma. So we can make lecture presentation with gamma, but I think it allows only 10 to 12 presentation free. After that, it charges, I think so, sir. If we create a presentation and if we download it, we will be use it for other lectures also. That I have shown last.
Once we will download this, we can make 10 times, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
no, actually, and there is one more question in the chat box, madam. Is it detectable in anti-plagiarism tools?
Which one, sir? If I
Even downloading source from online, madam, using Tiny Wow or AI writing.
okay. Yes, sir. For that, we also having a humanizer also there, sir. In a browser, if we give a humanizer, it also make our content as humanized content. So that too we can use, and also we have in Write we have AI detector also we have. So once we have written content, we can paraphrase or AI detection we can use. Yes,
Yeah, that is the right answer.
uh,
Yeah, just wanted to add, what.
Thanks, man. Nice explanation, man. Within a short period of time, you have to include the most important tools, including all the subject, madam. Humanity, we can say that social and literature, science, and anyway. Because in a short period, 1 hour, it's not possible that you have to include all the kind of in the detail. But very finally comprehends all the topic means. Madam, thank you, madam.
thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And dear participants, if you have any other queries, you can post your questions in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic and ask, clarify your doubts.
Madam, please explain regarding that humanities, madam, once again.
Sir,
Sir,
our,
ask the question again, sir.
Just you showed in that humanities, madam.
AI humanizer, madam. The tools you have to mention that
yeah,
before
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, yes,
AI
sir,
humanizer.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
humanizer, yes, sir, yes, sir, I will show. A humanizer, we just give a humanizer in a browser. We will be getting lot of tools for a humanizer. So that even also we can make sir. It also write like human. So sometimes we will be getting a directed things, right? So that time we can ask ChatGPT to write like human, and also
Just wanted to add what you were saying. So basically, this is the humanized AI, right? So basically, when you write the articles through AI, it will all be a AI based content, and then Google or any other things which will be like so many blogs we are writing, it will all be detected like AI generated content. You have to make sure that it is all anti anti-AI content. So you have to use the other tools like humanoid.ai, and that will make AI content as a anti-AI content, okay, which will be a human written content. So it will be like passing like 80% AI and 20% human if you write it through ChatGPT or any of the Geneva or any of the AI writing tools. But if you make sure that you articulate it with this anti-AI tools, it will be like a human written content, and it will be like Google is always coming up with so many algorithms to detect it. So there is no 100% foolproof method that it is a AI written content or human written content. But however, these tools help to avoid the penalty from the Google. So that's the thing which we can say.
yes,
Thank
sir,
you, ma'am.
exactly, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Exactly.
And dear participants, we come to the end of the session. And may I request Ms. Subha, Assistant Professor of English, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. As we conclude the first day of our 5-day faculty development program on revolutionizing digital content curation and access, I am delighted to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee. We are deeply grateful to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Ranjula, for sharing her invaluable insights and expertise with us. Your effort to make this session interactive and informative has been truly appreciated. Thank you, ma'am. We would also like to express our sincere appreciation to all participants for your enthusiastic interest and engagement. Your active participation has made the session a resounding success. As we look forward to the upcoming sessions, we hope to continue learning, collaborating, and growing together. Thank you once again. Have a good, beautiful evening. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. And dear participants, of day one attendance has been shared in our chat box. Please fill in the details with utmost care, and everything will be reflected in your certificates. And the link will be activated for the next 10 minutes. Thank you for joining today. And ma'am, thank you so much, madam. And the session was wonderful. We learned everything from your session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.